Nature has evolved to facilitate social interactions, developing fascinating and well-defined patterns of collective movement. Among these patterns we find swarming, like a group of bees or insects flying together in the same area. Schooling, like a flock of birds, flying together from one place to another, or milling, like a school of fish circling in a swirling motion. Furthermore, these patterns are ubiquitous across animal species, whatever they walk, gallop, fly, or swim. Researchers are fascinated by these patterns and aim to understand, replicate, and utilize them. This has been accomplished by using mathematical models with a set of rules that are followed independently by each individual in the group. The first rule, attraction, represents the group's inherent desire to stay together. Without attraction, individuals would naturally move away from each other. The second rule, alignment, reflects the group's tendency to move in the same direction. Without alignment, the individuals in the group would have difficulty keeping up with each other. However, current models rely on artificial metrics, which oversimplify the perception of the world to an unrealistic, all-knowing, omniscient perspective, the furthest possible perspective from a biological source of information. Furthermore, replicating this omniscience in artificial flocks would require expensive sensors and complex communication systems. We propose a model that is based solely on animals' known visual capabilities. We assume that each individual sees every other as spheres. Therefore, individuals are not recognized. Instead, they are represented by their shadow at their corresponding optical position. This is a binary representation of the field of view. Within this representation, the attraction rule is implemented by considering the optical size of each shadow. And alignment is achieved by measuring a visual parameter known as optic flow, which describes how we perceive movement relative to our own viewpoint. Using these two rules, we can recreate the three main collective behaviors, swarming, schooling, and milling, for a group of 50 individuals, as you can see on the screen. We can also reproduce these behaviors for a variety of group sizes such as 5 individuals, or going up to 300 individuals. This shows that to recreate the main collective behaviors known in the animal world, individuals do not need all-knowing knowledge of the position and orientations of others to move collectively. Visual information alone can do it. Thanks for watching. This research is part of the Flocking by Eye project. You can read the article with the link on the description below.